Hello folks, good morning. It's another day, another caftan. My next video is going to be on how to mow your lawn, how to use a lawnmower, how to get it started, because you might be having to mow your own lawn now in these times of self-isolation, some quarantine. So you know, if you don't know, it's all very easy. And I asked my son Quinn if he knew how to start a lawnmower, and he goes, yeah. He goes, you just put petrol in it and pull the cord. And I said, no, it's not all that easy. Okay, so anyway, we're going to put some petrol in. And this is a 4-stroke lawnmower, which means it just takes petrol. You don't have a 2-stroke would take petrol and you have to mix in the oil, but this one is 4-stroke, so it's a lot easier. So you've got your petrol in there. There's a little knob here, that's the primer. You've got to press that 3 times to get the petrol into the lines. 1, 2, 3, and then fingers crossed it should start. So we've got, where are we? Up here we've got a picture of a turtle. Which is, yeah, coming close. Tortoise, turtle, I think it's a tortoise. Stop. Start is the rabbit. Run. Run, rabbit, run. So let's put it into the start position. I think, is that it? I think that's sort of like the choke. And then we're going to pull the cord and we're going to hope that it runs. Oh shit, hang on. Oh, shivers, I mean. Beep that one out too. Yay! First time. Alright, and we're ready to go. Down here is the level of your cutter, blades. You raise it up or down as you need to. Okay, time to mow the lawn. Yeah, that's really low, so I'm going to lift it up a bit. There. Okay, and away we go. Stay tuned, I'll see you in a little bit for yogurt flatbreads recipe. Happy mowing!